The 2018 A5. This vehicle is powered by a all-wheel drive, 4-cylinder, 2.0-liter engine and comes with a automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, stability control, regenerative braking system, power brakes, braking assist. Inside you'll find rear view camera, cruise control, trip computer, child safety locks, overhead console, rear floor mats, trip odometer. The Audi A5 is a great car. A great drive and superb engines are included standard. This beauty will make even your house keys jealous. Drive it today.